Hi, this is Renee. I just wanted to do a quick video today to show you something new that Close to My Heart has. It is called our Craft with Heart subscription service, and it's for those of you who don't really have a lot of time to scrapbook and really don't have a whole bunch of supplies. What these are cut above kits, and they are pre-cut kits that you just put together, add your pictures and your journaling. So really all you need is adhesive and a journaling pen. Now if you wanted to add some extra things, some extra bling, you could add, sequins or twine or anything like that. But this is good for those who just want to get going and get it done. Excuse me. So the way that the subscription service works is you'll get your subscription in a box, looks like this. And depending on the subscription that you purchase, depends on how much you get in your box. So you can buy the kit one a month. It's $17.95 plus tax, and then the shipping is $4.95. You'll get that monthly. You'll be billed and shipped monthly, and you'll just get one kit each month. Another way to do it that saves you 10% off the price of the kit, plus saves you the shipping, is if you buy a 4-month subscription. And what will happen then is you'll get a box like this with the next 4 months of kits in it. So you get 4 kits, and it comes out to $16.15 a kit, and you only pay the shipping one time, so $4.95 shipping, because you're just getting one box with all 4 in it. Your third option, which I think is probably the best deal, is you can get a 12-month kit. You'll get one box like this every 4 months with 4 kits in it, so you get 3 of them a year. They come out to $14.36 a kit, but with that, you get completely free shipping. So that saves you, a good $20 over the 4-month, and then I can't do the math, but it's a lot over the monthly. It will be billed annually, and it'll ship every 4 months. So what I have here is the first 4-month set. I did buy the yearly. Another really neat thing is if you get the yearly kit, you also, in every one of your, the yearly subscription, in every one of your boxes that you get every 3 months, you get 30 free prints from Persnickety. It gives you a code, and you just go on the computer and you can order 30 4x6 photos, matte or glossy, and they'll be shipped to you. So that's a way to get not only your kit, but all your pictures that you need. And so you'll get 30 free prints every 3 months. Now that's only with the annual kit. And something else that you'll get with the 4-month kit and the 12-month subscription is you'll get this neat little card. This month's card is Take Time to Make Your Soul Happy. You can use this card any way you like. If you want to use it in your scrapbook layouts, if you want to put it up on your wall, if you have bulletin board, that sort of thing. It's really a nice, it's in a nice paper, and on the back it just says how to find Close to My Heart. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you the next 4 months of kits. The annual subscription you can buy now. The 4-month subscription and the monthly subscriptions won't be available until September 1st. So, and I will leave a link down below where you can find everything else about it. And feel free to leave me questions if you have any questions. Something that comes in every kit, which makes it really nice, because like I said, all you need is your adhesive and your journaling pen, because our photo sheet protectors come with. So you'll get 3 of these with each kit. So I'll show you the first month. This is September's kit, and it is called Love Story, and it makes this layout, and it also makes this layout. So you'll get enough supplies to make 4 actual scrapbook pages, and like I said, they are completely cut out for you. It tells you exactly how many inches to put everything, and I'm going to do some videos as I put these together and show you how to put them together, but I just thought I'd give you a real quick look at what's in the kit. So this is Love Story. With every kit, you're going to get your placeholders for your photos, just in case you don't have photos already ready to go. What I'm planning to do is when I make mine, I'm going to go ahead and use the kit itself as an inspiration for taking photos, because I'm really bad about remembering to take the actual photos. So I'm going to use those as an inspiration. So you get stickers, and these are hard card stickers. I mean, they're pretty big. So there are the stickers that you get. You get pre-cut for your photo mats, your journaling mats. You also get die cuts for the month. So there's the die cuts for this one for September. Some additional photo mats. And then these are the pages. What I really like about these pages is this is printed on here, but truthfully, once you get everything together on our Cut Above kits, it actually looks like you pieced it together, which I think is really cool. It saves you a lot of time. So you'll get these two for the one layout, and then you'll get these two for the second layout. So that is September's kit. The name of it is Love Story. So October's kit is called Homegrown, and I really like this one. I love butterflies and dragonflies and all those flies, except for, like, you know, flies. I don't like fly flies. This one has some really neat butterfly stickers and die cuts in it. It's called This Is Us, and I know people aren't gonna like me, but I tried to watch the show and I just don't get it, so I'm sorry. But if you like the show, maybe you'll really like this, and maybe you can use it as a some sort of a fan page even in your scrapbooks. I always think it's really fun to do a scrapbook page, maybe not of your pictures, but of things that you really enjoy and you're really getting into at that time in your life. Because I think it's always fun to look back and see that, oh wow, I really liked that show at that time, or this is some sort of a hobby that I had. So feel free to use these for that sort of a thing as well. So this was the first layout, and then there's the second layout that says Family Time on it. So I'll show you all the pieces. I don't want to get my kits mixed up, so some more photo place cards like the other kit. You get your stickers, and like I said, these are those butterfly stickers, and they're hard. They're cardboard or cardstock, really good cardstock. You get some journaling cards and some photo mats. This is a really neat photo mat, or you could use it for journaling, or you could always have one of your kids draw a picture and put it in your scrapbook, and they could use this to draw the picture on. Some more photo mats, and I do like how everything is pre-cut. It's cut very well. I haven't had any problems, and if you ever do have a problem, just let me know and we'll get you a replacement. Here's the die cuts. And then here are the pages for the layouts. So there's that one and that one. And I'm sorry if I'm going out of the frame. I'm not very good. I'm usually, as you know, I'm a card maker, so usually you see cards on my channel. And there you go. Cards are a lot more forgiving when you're talking about getting it in frame. Okay, so then November and December are both Christmas themed kits. Those of you who are Jewish friends, or maybe don't celebrate Christmas, I can see lots of ways that you can change this around by not using certain die cuts. Like, don't use those die cuts. You could change this up with other die cuts that maybe you have, or maybe you want to print something out, or you have a stamp you want to use. So there are lots of ways to use these other than for the holidays. So this one is called Be Merry. It does that layout and that one, which I really like, this whole blackboard, kind of chalkboard look. So again, you get your photo placeholders, and here are your stickers. And the other thing I like is it tells you which layout. So layout 1 and then layout 2. Sometimes it's just so hard to tell. They may look similar and you're like, okay, which one goes on which layout? And I really like it when they tell you. Lots of journaling cards and backgrounds for your photos. And then here are your die cuts. This is a pretty big page of die cuts. So those are pretty nice. They're a really good quality paper too. If you've used Close to My Heart cardstock before, it's a little bit thinner than the cardstock, but it's still really, really good quality. Then here are and I think I've got them sideways, so we'll do them this way. So here's the first page, and then the second page. Again, these are those ones that are printed on here, but really once you get everything on here, you can't tell it was printed on. So it's really nice. And then here is the chalkboard one. So very similar on both pages. So that is November's kit called Be Merry. Now December's kit is kind of fun because it is non-traditional colors. It is called Holly Jolly Days, and it's your teals and your pinks and your mints. It's just a really fun alternative to your traditional Christmas colors. So there's the front and the back of that. Some more photo holders. Some pre-cut pieces. Here are your stickers. If I need my hands to work today. Here are the stickers that you get for layout 1 and layout 2. And when I'm putting these together on my next few videos, I'll show you a secret to keeping some of these straight. These ones won't be so bad because they're attached to each other, but sometimes you get letters that are all separated. I'll show you a little trick I have for making sure that they stay straight, because if you're like me and you have a little bit of OCD going on, bugs you when they're not straight. Some more cut pieces, so that's nice. Oh, this is fun. Here are the die cuts, and I keep wanting to turn this around, but I know this is the right way. You can't see these very well, probably. No, they're snowflakes, just all kinds of snowflakes. And then here are all the tags that go on the second layout. And here are the background pages. And that one. Get back in the camera. And here's the ones for the non-traditional heart pages. I could see, if you didn't want to do a bunch of Christmas layouts, I could see covering up this down here, and you could actually make this into a Valentine layout. I could see that. If you feel that you just don't want to do non-traditional colors, you could really change this around. So that is everything that comes in the kit. Like I said, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments below. We'll put that there so you don't have to look at that, my light. Just leave some comments down below. I'll be happy to get back to you. You can check out either my blog, or you can go directly to my store to learn more about the Craft with Heart subscription service. And I hope you enjoy it, and I'll be back shortly to show you how to put some of these together. Have a great day.